Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Rizky Amanullah and my partner is Solikah Nurzana and Setiawati. We are from Group 10. In this presentation, we will discuss about idiom plus information.
I will explain the first material.
Definition. An idiom is a widely used saying or expression that contains a figurative meaning that is different from the precise literal meaning. Idioms are a type of figurative language that can be used to add dynamism and character to otherwise style writing. Idiom secara luas merupakan ungkapan atau ekspresi yang mengandung makna kiasan yang berbeda dengan makna harfiah dari frasa tersebut. Idiom by time information place is an idiom related to the area or idiom that contains some information about the site. These idioms can be helpful to you describe things better. This idiom is usually used in informal conversation. Idiom by time information place adalah idiom yang berhubungan dengan wilayah atau idiom yang memuat beberapa informasi tentang situs. Idiom-idiom ini dapat membantu Anda menggambarkan sesuatu dengan lebih baik. Idiom ini biasanya digunakan dalam percakapan informal. Example in sentence 1. All roads lead to Rome. Banyak jalan menuju Roma. Artinya, there are many ways to reach the same goals. Ada banyak cara untuk mencapai tujuan yang sama. Contoh kalimatnya yaitu whether you win better through exams or project is not of important, just as our roads lead to Rome. As long as you benefit from the course, it doesn't matter which method you use. Artinya, apakah Anda belajar lebih baik melalui ujian atau proyek yang tidak penting, sama seperti banyak jalan menuju Rome. Selama Anda mendapat manfaat dari jalan tersebut, tidak masalah menggunakan metode mana yang Anda gunakan. 2. New York time. A very short period of time, artinya waktu yang sangat singkat. Contoh kalimatnya yaitu, do you mind waiting here, John? I'll be back in a New York minute. Artinya, apakah Anda keberatan menunggu di sini, John? Aku akan kembali dalam 1 menit di New York time, atau waktu yang pendek. Waktu di New York itu terasa sangat singkat atau pendek. 3. Pardon my French. Maafkan bahasa Prancis saya. Artinya, used to say sorry for using strong language or swearing. Digunakan untuk meminta maaf karena menggunakan bahasa yang kasar atau sumpah serapah. Contoh kalimatnya yaitu, Pardon my French, but what the hell are you doing? Artinya, maafkan bahasa Prancis saya, tapi apa yang kamu lakukan? Di mana bahasa Prancis di sini adalah bahasa yang kasar.
Alright, I want to explain the idiom. Example in sentence. Number 4. Road to Damascus. The meaning, an experience that changes your life and how you see things. And use, Suki trip to Vietnam was a road to Damascus. She came back and signed up as a volunteer for a homelessness charity. Jadi, road to Damascus artinya adalah suatu pengalaman yang dapat mengubah hidupmu atau bagaimana cara melihat sesuatu. Perjalanan Suki ke Vietnam merupakan suatu pengalaman yang mengubah hidupnya dan dia menjadi relawan untuk para tunawisma. Number 5. Cross the Rubicon. The meaning, to do something you can change and that will have an effect on the future. Use, the British people cross the Rubicon when they voted for Brexit. They will lose a lot of freedom within Europe. Artinya, melakukan sesuatu yang tidak dapat dirubah dan akan berdampak ke masa depan. Jadi, orang Inggris cross the Rubicon. Mereka memilih Brexit. Mereka akan kehilangan keadilan di Eropa. Number 6. Indian summer. The meaning, warm, sunny weather in autumn when it should be getting cooler. And use, I can't believe It's November and we are swimming in the sea. But I bet this Indian summer is because of global warming. Artinya suatu cuaca yang hangat di musim gugur yang seharusnya itu dingin. Aku tak percaya ini November dan kita berenang di laut. Tapi aku bertaruh ini Indian summer karena global warming. Then example in conversation. All roads lead to Rome. Edward, hi Emma, how are you? Long time to see anyway. Emma, hey yeah, I'm so busy lately. How are you then? Edward, I'm great. By the way, I hear you take the exam for university this year. Is that true? Emma, that's true, Ed. Edward, how's the result? Emma, honestly, not good, Ed. I'm failed. Edward, is that so? I'm feeling sorry to hear that. Hey, you can take the university self-test. They give you second chance, don't they? Emma, yes, you're right, but I feel down for no reason after this test. Edward, how can you? You are a smart person. I think all roads lead to Rome, you know. Cheer up. Emma, oh, you are too much, Ed, but I will try. Di kalimat tadi, all roads to Rome memiliki makna banyak cara menuju suatu jalan, banyak cara menuju suatu tujuan. Seperti yang dikatakan Edward, yang dimaksud yaitu banyak cara untuk melewati tes yang dilakukan oleh Emma untuk ke universitas.
Okay, the next material is example in conversation New York minutes. Selena, hi Sherin, where are you going? Sherin, I'm going to the bookstore. Selena, have you filled out the form this morning? Sherin, it's not possible this afternoon. Selena, what community did you decide to join? Sherin, I will join the music art community. I can choose with New York minutes. Selena, wow, that's really interesting. Sherin, yes, of course. What do you choose? Selena, I will just choose the literacy community. Sherin, well, I wish we could follow the same community. Selena, I'm sorry, Sherin. Okay, no problem, Selena. Example in conversation pardon my friends. Ronnie, hi Jones. Yeah, Ronnie, what do you need? Ronnie, I want to ask your help. Jones, what can I help you? Ronnie, I ask you to come to my house tomorrow to fix my roof. Jones, okay Ronnie, tomorrow I will come. Ronnie, but your payment is only half, John. You know, we've been friends for a long time. Jones, pardon my friends, Ronnie. Even though we are friends, but we have to be professional in our work. Ronnie, alright, Jones, I'm sorry. Okay, that's all our material from group 10. If we make mistake, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.